Right now, former President Donald Trump is on his way to New Jersey after appearing in Miami federal court.
Plane just taking off moments ago from Miami, about a minute ago. He's on his way to Newark and then on to his golf club in Bedminster. Trump boarded the plane at the airport about 20 minutes ago after making a stop at a Cuban restaurant in Miami to talk to supporters. In court today, Trump pleaded not guilty to 37 felony charges related to illegally keeping classified documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate.
Outside of the courthouse, dozens of people gathered showing support for and against the former president. We have team coverage from on the ground in Miami to New Jersey, where Mr. Trump is now headed. Let's begin with CBS 2's Alice Gaynor. She's in our newsroom with details of the court appearance today. Alice.
CBS correspondents inside the courtroom report former President Donald Trump did not speak in court. His defense attorney spoke for him. He also did not have a mugshot taken, but his co-conspirator Walt Nauta did. But Nauta, though present, was unable to be arraigned today. Former President Donald Trump left his Doral Golf Club and headed to federal court in downtown Miami early this afternoon. From there, he was booked and appeared before a judge. Mr. Trump entered a not guilty plea through his New York-based defense attorney Todd Blanche, who told the judge his client was most certainly pleading not guilty. Also at the defense table, his Florida-based attorney Chris Kise, as well as his aide and co-defendant Walt Nauta and his attorney. In the front row of the courtroom, special counsel Jack Smith, who was seen arriving in Miami on a commercial flight last night. Trump is charged with 37 counts, 31 of them willful retention of national defense information. Of that, 21 documents were top secret. Prosecutors say if exposed, national security could have been at risk. Along with his named co-conspirator Nauta, they're accused of conspiracy to obstruct justice and false statements. Both appeared before a federal magistrate today, but the case is assigned to District Court Judge Eileen Cannon, a judge Trump appointed while president. She ruled in his favor last year in a dispute over whether an outside special master could be appointed to review the seized classified documents. A federal appeals panel overturned her ruling. She will determine how quickly the case goes to trial, oversee jury selection, and determine what evidence can be presented. Outside the courthouse, attorney and Trump spokesperson Alina Habba described Trump's outlook in one word.
He's defiant.
Now, Nauta will have to be arraigned at a later date because under the rules of the district, defendants are required to have a local lawyer for an arraignment, and he did not have a Florida attorney. Trump will not have to surrender his passport. He did sign a personal surety bond. He's also not allowed to talk about the facts of the case with Nauta or other witnesses. In the newsroom, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
All right, Alice, thank you. And after the court appearance, the former president made a stop at a Cuban restaurant in Miami that has a long history of hosting politicians. Trump was greeted by dozens of supporters inside, and he also prayed with some pastors before ordering pastries from the shop.